Your car is hiding secrets, features you paid for but probably never use, from windows that open with your key to a hidden button that can save your life. These are the hidden car features you never knew existed. Number 1. Key fob window control. Did you know your car key can control your windows? On many cars, if you hold the unlock button, all your windows roll down automatically. Perfect for hot days, you can cool your car before stepping inside. And yes, holding the lock button often closes them too. Most people never even try this. Number 2. Hidden fuel cap arrow. Ever pulled into a gas station and stopped on the wrong side? Look at your fuel gauze. There's a tiny arrow next to the fuel icon. That arrow tells you exactly which side your fuel cap is on. Simple, but almost no one notices it. Number 3. Steering wheel secret controls. Your steering wheel isn't just for turning. Hidden behind it are small buttons or pedals, used for volume calls and even changing gears. Some cars even let you control your entire entertainment system without taking your hands off the wheel. Number 4. Emergency trunk release. Life-saving feature. This one could save a life. Inside your car's trunk, there is a glow-in-the-dark lever. It allows someone trapped inside to open the trunk from within. It's designed for emergencies, especially for children. Most drivers don't even know it exists. Number 5. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. Driving at night and blinded by headlights behind you? Many cars have an auto-dimming rear view mirror. It detects bright light and darkens automatically, so your eyes stay comfortable and focused. No button needed, it just works. Number 6. Seatbelt height adjuster. Seatbelts aren't one size fits all. Look near the top of your seatbelt. You can adjust its height up or down. This makes it safer and more comfortable, especially for shorter or taller drivers. Number 7. Hidden storage compartments. Your car might be hiding secret storage spots under the seats, inside armrests, even beneath the trunk floor. Perfect for valuables, emergency kits, or just keeping your car clutter-free. Number 8. Adaptive headlights. Some cars can see around corners. Adaptive headlights turn slightly when you steer, lighting up the road ahead before you can get there. It makes night driving much safer, especially on dark or winding roads. Number 9. Rain sensing wipers. Tired of adjusting wiper speed constantly? Rain sensing wipers detect water on your windshield and automatically adjust their speed. Light drizzle or heavy rain, your car handles it for you. Number 10. Panic button range trick. Lost your car in a parking lot? Here's a trick. Hold your key fob under your chin and press the panic button. It can actually increase the signal range, making it easier to find your car. Sounds weird, but it actually works. So, how many of these did you already know? Your car is smarter than you think, and chances are you're still not using it to its full potential. Hit like if you learned something new and subscribe for more hidden secrets you use every day. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.